Hey, friends, have you ever counted how many times a day we open an app on our phones, shopping, ordering food, watching videos, playing games? Every single tap is backed by a massive world of code and data. Now, what if I told you that someone is moving our real-world maps, games, and even artificial intelligence onto a brand new, decentralized digital continent, and that the currency circulating on this continent might hold the next 100-fold growth opportunity? Wouldn't you think that sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie? But this is the real story happening in the crypto world of 2025. Today, let's talk about this crazy and fascinating topic, altcoins. Forget the complicated jargon, I'll break it down for you in plain language and show you where the next wealth code might be hidden among these digital tribes. First, we need to understand a concept. What is an altcoin? It's actually simple. Think of it as a catch-all term for all cryptocurrencies other than the digital gold Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is the universal equivalent of this digital world, then altcoins are the specialized tools with various functions. Some are designed to make transactions faster, some to build gaming worlds, and others aim to become the brain of artificial intelligence. In the past, everyone flocked to Bitcoin and Ethereum, just like everyone rushed to San Francisco during the gold rush. But now, things have changed. The market in 2025 is more like a treasure hunt. Smart players are starting to realize that the real treasures might be buried in those more unique tribes that solve specific problems. This is what's known as the altcoin season. Capital starts flowing from the big city of Bitcoin to these specialty towns full of potential. So, what are the key areas marked on the 2025 treasure map? Based on analyses from various experts and market trends, 3 tribes are currently shining brightly. The first, and the hottest, is the AI plus crypto tribe. Imagine AI as a super intelligent brain without a body. What does it need? Computing power, data, and a currency that can circulate in its own world, right? Blockchain and cryptocurrency provide it with exactly that body and blood. This tribe has a few star projects. For instance, BitInsertAI. You can think of it as an AI model sharing market. Capable people from all over the world can contribute their AI models to form a huge, decentralized superbrain. And the Tau token is the universal currency in this brain's world. Then there's something like Render Network (RNDR). It focuses on solving the biggest headache for AI and the metaverse, rendering. Just as you need a super powerful computer to play top-quality games, eye drawing and 3D modeling also require immense computing power. RNDR has created a global deity for GPU power. It allows people with idle computing power to take orders to help others with rendering, settling payments with RNDR tokens. The second hot tribe is the real-world asset RWA tribe. This concept sounds sophisticated, but it's also easy to understand. Have you ever thought about whether your house, the stocks you buy, or even a bottle of vintage wine could be turned into a digital certificate and then be traded anytime, anywhere in the world? That's what RWA is all about. For example, a project called Ondo Finanzo Dio is like a digital asset packaging company. It even collaborates with BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager. It takes assets like U.S. Treasury bonds, which are very stable but hard for ordinary people to invest in directly, and packages them into digital tokens. This allows people worldwide to easily buy them and enjoy the returns. This effectively opens a channel between trillions of dollars worth of real-world assets and the digital world. The third tribe, with huge potential, is the Solana Ecosystem tribe. If Ethereum is the New York of the crypto world, bustling, expensive, and sometimes a bit congested, then Solana Sol is like Shenzhen Tiang, incredibly fast. And with extremely low transaction fees, this fast, good, and cheap characteristic has made it the preferred choice for many new applications. This is especially true for GameFi and decentralized physical infrastructure networks. Japan. Many interesting projects have emerged from this ecosystem. For example, some GameFi projects allow you to earn items and currency while playing, and these are truly your assets that can be traded on the market. There are also depend projects like HiveMap or Honey. Aims to create a decentralized Google Maps. As long as you install its designated dashcam in your car and help collect street data while driving, you can earn honey tokens as a reward. You see, this is how real-world actions are combined with digital world incentives. Of course, the path to treasure is never smooth. While these hot sectors are tempting, they are also filled with games of strategy and risk. The AI concept is hot, but which project will truly succeed and become the next Microsoft of AI? This requires a triple test of technology, community, and funding. RWA wants to connect the real and digital worlds, but it will face complex financial regulations from different countries. This is like building roads in different nations, requiring various construction permits. And while Solana is fast, it has also experienced downtime due to technical issues. Stability is a challenge it must prove it can overcome. What does this mean for us, the average person? First, it means the logic of investment has changed. The era of buy the leader with your eyes closed may be over. Now, it requires us to understand what problem each project is solving and whether its story is compelling enough. Second, risk and opportunity coexist. Behind a 100-fold coin, 99% of projects might fail and go to zero. It's like venture capital. You might hit a unicorn, or you might lose everything. Therefore, diversifying your investments and only investing what you can afford to lose is the most important survival rule on this treasure hunt. So, let's return to our original question in 2025. Where is the next 100-fold coin? The answer might be hidden within these emerging digital tribes of AI, RWA. And the Solana ecosystem. They are no longer just speculative concepts. They are starting to genuinely integrate with real-world needs, attempting to solve actual problems. But Liobing never gives investment advice. What I can give you is a treasure map and a set of analytical tools. The real treasure needs to be discovered by you. In the future, will AI coins lead the charge? Will RWA reshape the financial landscape? Or will the Solana ecosystem experience a full-blown explosion? No one can give a definitive answer. But that's the charm of this world, isn't it? It's full of the unknown, and also full of infinite possibilities. Alright, that's our story for today. Which digital tribe are you most interested in? Or have you discovered any other new continents with potential? Let me know in the comments.